Hi students, today we are starting with nucleic acid. The other type of macromolecule found as a part of acid insoluble fraction of any living tissue is the nucleic acid. These are polymeric compounds of nucleotides, that is polynucleotides. A nucleotide is composed of three chemically distinct components, that is heterocyclic compound nitrogen base, that is adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine and thymine, monosaccharide, ribose or deoxyribose, and phosphoric acid or phosphate. A nucleic acid which contains deoxyribose sugar is called deoxyribonucleic acid, while that which contains ribose sugar is known as RNA or ribose nucleic acid. Now DNA. It is a genetic material found in the nucleus of all living cells except some viruses. In eukaryotic organisms, linear DNA is found in the nucleus, in the mitochondria, chloroplast, whereas in prokaryotes, DNA is circular in structure and is found in the cytoplasm. Now, structure of DNA. The structure of DNA was elucidated by Watson and Crick based on X-ray diffraction studies. They proposed a double helical model of DNA. According to this model, DNA exists as a double helix and consists of two strands of polynucleotide that are antiparallel to each other, that is both run in opposite direction, one in 5 to 3 and other one 3rd to 5. Now structure of DNA, you can see 5:3, 3:5. This is CH2O, thymine, adenine, guanine and cytosine. You can see how they are bonded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon structure, CH2O, OO, CH2O, OO and H3PO4. This H3PO4, PO4, H3, this one, H3PO4, so guanine and cytosine. The backbone of DNA is formed by the sugar-phosphate sugar chain. The nitrogen bases are projected more or less perpendicular to the backbone of DNA and faces inside. Adenine and guanine of one strand base pair with thymine and cytosine respectively on other strand. Between adenine and thymine there are 2 hydrogen bonds and there are 3 hydrogen bonds between guanine and cytosine. DNA has a uniform thickness of 20 angstrom and pitch of 34 nanometer. Thus, one turn of DNA measures 3.4 nanometer and consists of 10 nucleotide, almost 10 base pairs. This forms DNA and which is known as beta DNA. Now, function of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid play multiple role in living organism. These are as follows. It enables cell to grow, maintain and divide by directing the synthesis of structural protein. Act as a genetic material, transfer hereditary characteristic from one generation to another. Now, difference between DNA and RNA. You can see this is found in chromosome of the nucleus, this is found in the cytoplasm, that is RNA. DNA double stranded, RNA single stranded. Here sugar is deoxyribose, here sugar is ribose, and here they are spiral in nature, 2 strands are spiral in nature and opposite direction, and here they are coiled on itself. Nitrogenous bases in DNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, that is purine and pyrimidine. In RNA, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil, that is purine and pyrimidine. Purine and pyrimidine occur in equal proportion, they are not in equal proportion. DNA is hereditary material. RNA takes part in protein synthesis. DNA controls structure, metabolism and differentiation and inheritance, and RNA helps in protein synthesis, function as a messenger. Long molecule with high molecular weight and here relatively short molecule with low molecular weight. Genetic material in all prokaryote and eukaryotic cell, here genetic material only in some viruses. DNA, it does not occur in different type, it occurs in different type, messenger, transfer and ribosomal RNA. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.